This time, secrets of my paint pour preparation revealed, with a spontaneous paint pour anon.
I am Mrs. Ruby Merlot. As a cultural, colorful pouring icon, I dress for every pour as one would naturally dress for dinner. I channel my muse with a quick vocal exercise, then ask my canvas what it wants to be. And now that you know my story, shall we pour?
Gracious viewers, after all your queries as to how I prepare for a pour, I thought I'd let you see all I do. I know it will amaze you. I have everything I need to accessorize, my precious jewels, my cherished Limoges rosebud dresser tray and pitcher set, feather boas, crystal perfume decanter, my inspirational portrait of me, and some of my paintings on the walls. My manicured hands are ready to be adorned. The rubber gloves I must wear make them look so wrinkled. The first enormous ring I slip on is my very rare purple diamond, a Merlot family heirloom. Then the quixotic bug ring my son Maxwell brought me from his insect-hunting business trip. He assures me of its high quality and that no real bugs were harmed in its making. Next comes a ring from a past suitor. The last is from my daughter-in-law Brandy with an eye. Yes, it is an alligator encrusted with 49 diamonds and emeralds, giving it that authentic alligator skin look. And the elegant bracelets gifted to me by a foreign dignitary who must remain nameless. A touch of powder. Oh, but my crown! Where did it go? Ah, here, it's gotten caught in my swim cap. Must have been from the late night soak in the hot tub with Mr. Merlot. A quick dab of my very expensive French perfume, and my purple boa to complete my ensemble. I've worked up quite a bead of perspiration. And I feel a pour coming on. I am inspired and I just can't wait. Clear it all away and pour. On what, you say? On whatever is at hand. This will have to do. Look at all that delicious paint spilling across the Limoges. How genteel! It's a pity the pitcher is too heavy for me to lift my little finger. I quickly ask my canvas, my china, what it wants to be, with nary a thought that it might just want to remain as it is. Oh, thank heavens my manicurist gave me the extra long nails with the sharp tips, or I might never have gotten the tray off the table. The colors I am using, the paint colors, not the nails, are Golden's Phthalo blue and titanium white, Art Deco's 24-karat gold and rose gold, and several artist Loft metallics, bronze, copper, and silver. All are mixed with Foetrol, and except for the white, each has 2 drops of silicone added. The magnificent cells begin to form immediately. And look at the results! While the darker side of this pour has smaller cells, many with a metallic sheen, the lighter side has billowy clouds of cells. Even more of the metallic colors appear as it dries. I see so many images in this painting. Fanciful eyes, faces, a dog, people. Do you see them? Here it is, an image of the earth from space, or the hint of Van Gogh's Starry Night. Who would have imagined this piece came from my bedroom dresser? Thank you for joining me. You know my motto, I dress for every pour the way one would naturally dress for dinner. And now you know the effort I make to improve the quality of my pours for my gracious viewers. Please subscribe to my channel. It doesn't require your formal attire.